What's really happening in Montrose real estate? This is your August 2025 market update. Hi Montrose neighbors, I'm talking to you if you live in zip codes 91208 and 91020 in Glendale, California. We know how much we love living here and we're never leaving, right? But if you're curious about what's happening with our home values, here's a quick update comparing the 12 months ending in August 1st, 2025 with the same period a year ago, August 1st, 2024. So here we go, let's dive right into it. For sales volume, 131 homes sold. That's 18 more sales than the year before, a 16% increase year over year. That's a nice bump. I am seeing an uptick in long-term homeowners either downsizing or it's a trust sale because the homeowner passed away and now the trustees, usually kids or family, are selling the home. Let's talk home prices, the number everyone wants to know about. The average sale price dipped by 4% from $1.68 million to $1.62 million. I know what you're thinking. Why? I hear our home prices go up every year. How does this happen? Because the average home sold was smaller this year than last year, almost 200 square feet smaller to an average of $21.40 per square foot. Smaller homes have a higher price per square foot. What's important to note is that the price per square foot rose by 2%. The average price per square foot last year was $786. A year later, in 2025, it is $802 a square foot. You must remember that in our neighborhoods, the price per square foot is relative. The location of the home, its condition, lot size, usable space, proximity to open space, and sought-after amenities are key factors that significantly impact your home's value. For example, a home walking distance to historic Old Town Montrose will sell much faster and for a higher price than a home on a busy street or close to the 210 freeway. So how long do homes take to sell in North Glendale? Following the national trend, homes are taking a little more time to sell, and up to 24 days on average. That's only 5 days longer than last year, so not too much. As you know, North Glendale is so sought after, homes still move pretty quickly, and close of escrow is usually within 30 days or less. Prices are holding steady in 91208 and 91020. I know we keep hearing prices are crashing in the news headlines, but in our part of the world, it is more of the same. Fewer homes are listed, so we still have a supply issue, not a demand issue. So what does this mean for you? Your property is still growing in value over time, and you've made a great investment choosing Montrose or near Montrose as your place to call home. Home buyers are still out there, but they're much more selective. Instead of the feeding frenzy we saw with 10 offers, sellers today might see 2 or 3 rock-solid offers. I'm seeing buyers who tried to buy a home last year come to my open houses this year. They've shared with me that they took a break and they're ready to start their search again. Please know the COVID crazy days are over in our home selling and buying market. It is a normal market again, and it's very cyclical. The season that usually homes are sold is popular in the spring. It tapers off in the summer. It ramps up again after Labor Day in September, and then it goes quiet from December to February. I am keeping a close eye on larger trends like the tariffs and recession talks, but here's a comforting statistic. In 3 of the last 4 recessions, home prices actually went up while mortgage rates came down. And while I'm actually filming this video, mortgage rates are down to 6.58% today on August 6, 2025. That's a refreshing number. That's making people breathe a little easier. If you're curious about selling or just curious about the market, let's connect. No pressure, just local insights. I'm Nicole with Think Real Estate. Happy to help.